Hello everyone! More and more clients require detailed data for their transports. Today I will show you how easily you can meet these requirements with the VDO Link. Easy and safe. Additionally, reading the driver card and legally compliant archiving of the data is a very important topic. The VDO Link is a fantastic, simple and secure tool to meet all requirements. At the front interface of your tachograph, you will find the solution, the VDO Link. You'll see, it's very easy. Plug it in and that's it. The VDO Link extracts important data from your tachograph. This includes driving and rest times, which can be saved and analyzed according to legal standards, or position data for improved coordination with dispatchers, and of course, all considering the newest security standards. And the best part is, the VDO Link only sends data when it is actually plugged in. That makes it transparent and gives you control. You can easily transmit real-time data such as position data and other important information to your clients, which is often required to actually get any orders. The VDO Link allows this without the need for complex installations, workshop visits, or extra apps. The VDO Link is a simple, secure, and cost-effective telematics solution that transmits the most important information in real time to your company or even directly to your clients if desired. Simply perfect for optimizing and automating your processes. Try it out and see for yourself. Best regards, Olli.